Hi, my name is Hunter with Knapheide Truck Equipment. I want to demonstrate to you our Knapheide Mechanics Truck KMT-1. This has a 7,500 pound crane with a 40 Cfm hydraulic compressor with hydraulic outriggers. I'm going to show you the details of this body now. First, I want to talk to you about the front left compartment. We have 7 drawer system, 250 pound ball bearing, slides, lockable compartments. The cool thing about these compartments is that if you're on an angle, on a hill, it's not going to slide out on you if you have extra tools in the compartment. So they're going to stay put where they are. The next thing I want to talk to you about is we have 4 work lights on the body, 2 on each corner of the front of the body and 2 in the rear corners. They're integrated into the upfitter switches into the control panel of the body. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is the 40 Cfm hydraulic compressor. Please notice that they are mounted to the riser here, so there's nothing that's being drilled into the actual compartment of the body. That's going to reduce water intrusion. There's going to be no question about if there's going to be complete seal of the body. Next, we're going to talk about our second compartment, which is just a standard compartment here. We have our 2 fully adjustable compartments here. You can fully automate how you guys want to do that, but it's there for your liking. Next, in our horizontal compartment, we have our sortable drawers that you can completely take out. Very great for small bolt bins, little fittings that your customer might need to take out to the equipment that they're servicing. They don't have to worry about having to come back to the compartment every time that they're needing a small little tool. Very convenient for the customer. Now we're going to go to the third compartment. On the driver's side, we have our adjustable shelving. You can put exactly what you're needing to fit in this compartment. Totally up to your will. Next, we want to talk about our rear system. We have our work deck. We have our flex steps. We have our through compartment here, where you can put your rebar. You can put your longer tools that you need to store back here. Perfect for whatever that you may be needing. We have our 16-inch tailgate, making sure that the stuff that you have in the cargo area actually stays in the cargo area. So as you're driving on the freeway, you're not having things fly out of the cargo area. As you can tell, very heavy duty. We have our 6 tie downs in the floor, each rated at 6,000 pounds apiece. As you can hear, when I close this tailgate, very heavy duty. Nothing's going nowhere. Also, as a safety precaution, we made sure to have our flex step and a grab handle so you have 3-point connection when you're leaving and entering the cargo area. Very important for safety precautions. We have our backup camera. We have our class 5. We have our trailer plug. We have a class 5 hitch, flex step. We have our vise area. We have a vise stand that you can incorporate our vise stand either to the curb side or the street side, depending on where you're going to be working with the vehicle. Again, you have your through compartment. We have our master locking system, so you can lock the compartments with one push of a button right here. And now we come to the coolest part of the entire body. This is the brains of the operation. This is our CAN bus system. It incorporates our isolated crane compartment that's integrated to the torsion floor, that's integrated to the torsion floor understructure. So what that means is you have your body here is separate from the rest of the body. So what that means is You have the force coming out of the ground into the outrigger, going into the compartment, out to the crane, and not transferred to the rest of the body. That's very important for cracking, for stress and tears, for anything that could be warrantable for the body. It's going to keep your body lasting longer. The cool thing about this is that if you have a load on the crane, you can open and close your doors because they'll stay square while you have a load on your crane. A very cool feature. Let's go back into the compartment here. So as I said earlier, you have your CAN bus system, which is basically the computer of the system. It incorporates the lighting, the crane, the compressor function. Everything that you're going to be needing to operate your body is right here in the crane. You have your outrigger hydraulic functions that are not imposed by the weather. So they're inside the compartment here. They're not going to be exposed to the weather, which has been a huge benefit to our customers that we have currently. You also have your FRL, which you can regulate the pressure and the PSI and everything for the compressor that you're going to be needing. You have the 50-foot, 1/2 inch compressor reel that is right here, fully retractable. You got to pull it a little bit so it retracts fully. There it is. Fully hydraulic outriggers. This side on the curb side, you're going to go outward and down. On the street side, you're going to go straight down to make sure that the crane is in the center of the force that it's going to be pulling. On the curb side, you have a standard horizontal compartment with an adjustable shelf. Again, on the second vertical here, standard vertical with adjustable shelves. And here you have your oxygen and acetylene brackets here for your tanks, for your welder leads if you may need them. That's standard in our build tier where you can put your leads and stuff here. Overall, this body is built to be put to work. You can do anything that your company, that you're needing to do, whether it be logging, industrial, mining, water, anything that you're going to be needing, this body has been put to the test. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Hunter. I work at Knapheide Truck Equipment in Tracy, California, 209-362-5956. And my email is hcarnavale@knapheide.com. If you want to find the most recent bodies that are on the ground, please contact your local dealers in your area, and I'm sure that they will have one on the ground. Thank you so much for your time.